The railway budget presented this week has given broad hints that Mumbai may get partial air-conditioned local trains. Mumbai currently has 11 12-car AC trains, and even though those running have seen a spike in number after the recent reopening of Local for All, the overall response has been low. The reason for that is mostly because the fares are higher than first class and they also have limited frequency. The city also has one partial AC train awaiting trials. Commuters say that those with monthly or quarterly passes will not invest again in a new one just for AC trains, which have limited frequency. There are benefits like the lesser crowd and more comfortable journey, but with limited trips, the downsides are more from a Mumbaikar's perspective.
एसी ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करने में मेरा एक व्यू ये था कि जब मैं एसी ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करता था तो फ्रीक्वेंसी का बहुत इश्यू था। अगर मॉर्निंग का 7 AM का अगर मैं बोरीवली से ट्रेन मिस कर देता हूँ तो मुझे 2-3 घंटे वेट करना पड़ता था। तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है फ्रीक्वेंसी का। अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाते हैं हमारे लिए काफी अच्छा हो जाएगा। सेकेंड थिंग है फेयर काफी हाई है जो कि एक नॉर्मल पब्लिक को अफोर्ड करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं है और फेयर भी हाई है तो हमें अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर ट्रेन मिस होता है तो हमें लोकल में जाना पड़ता है। इससे बेटर है कि मैं नॉर्मल ट्रेन में ट्रेवल करूं तो मेरा टाइम भी बचेगा और मेरे पैसे भी बचेंगे।
Back in 2017, Midday had reported that with suggestions from former managing director of MRVC, Dr. P.C. Sehgal, air-conditioned trains should be split instead of having 12-car trains so that passengers of all classes can access it. Sehgal had suggested that the railway should think of a middle way out instead of forcing an entire air-conditioned train on commuters. The first AC local in Mumbai had started on December 25, 2017 on Western Railway. Before the pandemic, one AC train had been inducted in regular service on Central Railway's Trans Harbour line but was discontinued due to the lockdown. While a normal 12-car local train carries around 3,500 passengers, the AC local train with vestibules can ferry about 6,500 passengers. Railways will now have to figure out a way how to run these trains in the post-pandemic scenario once the lockdown is completely lifted. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.